As the race for the coronavirus vaccine continues, those in the trials for both Moderna and Pfizer are describing the side effects. "I'm Jennifer Haller and I'm the first person in the US to trial COVID-19 vaccine," said Jennifer Haller, who is part of the Moderna trial. Jennifer Haller was injected on March 16 with the experimental vaccine by Moderna. "My arm was sore the next day. I had 2 doses of the vaccine 4 weeks apart. Each time my arm was pretty sore the next day, but besides that I personally didn't experience any other side effects," said Haller.
I'm the first person in the U.S. to trial a COVID-19 vaccine.
Jennifer Haller was injected on March 16th with the experimental vaccine by Moderna.
My arm was sore the next day. I had 2 doses of the vaccine 4 weeks apart, and each time my arm was pretty sore the next day.
I got a little achy in my muscles, like, I just don't feel right. And it went away after that day.
25 to 50% of people might feel some mild side effects after the first dose.
Are these vaccines safe?
These vaccines, as we know it, are safe. They're not live virus. They're bits of protein. But usually these occur within 2 months. And so far, they haven't had any problems with either the Pfizer or the Moderna vaccine.
In September, Lafayette resident Daniel Horowitz was injected as part of Pfizer's COVID vaccine trial. The trial is double-blind, so Horowitz is not sure if he received the vaccine or the placebo, but he says his side effects are similar to those of a flu shot. "I got a little ache in my muscles, like I just don't feel right, and it went away after that day," said Horowitz. Luke Hutchison, a 43-year-old computational biologist who participated in the Moderna trials, told that he endured an unbearable 102-degree fever after getting an injection of what he assumes was the vaccine, although he can't be certain because participants do not know whether they received a placebo instead. "I started shaking. I had cold and hot rushes. I was sitting by the phone all night long thinking, should I call 911? Hutchison said of his symptoms, which were gone after about 12 hours. "Nobody prepared me for the severity of this." All vaccines come with a list of possible side effects, including rare but serious side effects. Pfizer and biotech said the vaccine does not present any serious safety concerns. Initial data showed that fatigue and headaches were the most common side effects, both occurring in fewer than 4% of trial participants after the second dose.